These are Mitch and Flaxine's oldest 4 babies of their 5. And they are 27, 27, 25, and 23 days old. The oldest one is here in the corner, and the second one is right next to it here, and the third is the green one here, and the fourth is this one here. And then 5 days younger than this one, we have their very youngest, which is this little runty guy. He's so tiny compared to everybody else. He's only 18 days old. Supposedly, not supposedly, but he is 5 days younger than that one. He's the little runt. But he's very strong. He stands up all the time and walks around everywhere. So, that's Mitch and Flaxine's babies. Okay, here's the youngest one again. He's 18 days old. He's very bald still, but he stands up really well. And he's always walking around when he's the only one in the nest box. Go on. There you go. He's just so tiny compared to everybody else. And they are all being unusually quiet.